loves, if you want this look, please keep watching. I filmed the intro, but it was honestly trash, so here I am with the voiceover as usual. So let's get into it, guys. Alright, my love, so we jumping straight in. We priming with our Plouise base with a Real Technique brush and also a Real Technique sponge to just blend it on out. So you guys, this look is basically just packing on colors and blending them out. So this is the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. I'm going in with that light blue shade, and I am taking a flat brush that comes from the hair store. I have like 3 or 4 of these. So we're just starting off by just packing this color all over that inner corner part of my eye. So y'all, after y'all have packed it on, you're going to want to blend it out with a blending brush. I use this random brush out of a Morphe pack that mimics the M506 and the M321. And yeah. So after you have that first blue on, you're going to go ahead and start packing on the second shade. And it's basically, you're just going to do the same thing that you did with that light blue shade. The purple and the pink will be done just like both blues. Same thing, same concept. You just need different brushes so you don't mix those colors, of course. And you just do the same steps, y'all. Honestly, don't know why I went ahead and packed on that pink without blending out the purple. But honestly, y'all, as long as it's blended to your liking at the end, that's all that really matters. So, yeah. And if you're wondering why this is a different brush than the others, I didn't have any more cool brushes. The rest of this look is basically just blending the colors to your liking. You guys, it's so tiring blending, and I honestly got tired of blending. So yeah, like this isn't even all the clips of me just blending. Like I had like 50 minutes of footage on one eye, so it was crazy. So after blending, this is what your eye should look like. Yeah, so I'm going in with this Maybelline little stick concealer in this color. I don't really know what it is, but it looks white. And I'm taking this random Morphe brush that's in a C shape, and I find that this brush really made it a little easier on me to do a cut crease. I don't really do cut creases like that anymore because I'm just not good at them, and I just got frustrated. But this turned out not too bad. So I was just real geeked. I had to show y'all the work that I had done, honey. That cut crease was just looking too good. So right here, I'm just taking that purple and blending it onto the white concealer. And then I just placed a little bit more blue on that darker blue shade because it was kind of faded to me. And as you can see, I'm just packing some white onto that concealer. Right here, I'm using the Revlon photoready eye art. I'm sorry. In the purple shade, and oh, it's called Lilac Luster. I really wasn't here for it, y'all, because it was cracking and kind of like making the shadow and the concealer like kind of come off. So what I did was I tried to put more on, but I realized that wasn't working. So I took this glitter right here from Sally's and just packed it on top to kind of cover that, and it did the job for me. So yeah. So right here, I'm just taking that pink and dragging it onto my, lower lash line, and go ahead and do my under eye while I'm not doing anything else. Right here, y'all, I honestly could have just stopped and not have lined it, but I don't know. I just felt like this would have made it look more sharp. I did all right on this eye, but on the other eye, I made it like kind of thick. But you can't really tell unless you're just examining it. But I like the way it turned out, so yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the finishing look. I just popped on some I Envy Iconic lashes in the number 15 and did my hair, and here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and come back and see me. Turn on that post notification bell, and y'all be blessed. Mwah.
Ah!